Hi guys, welcome to CAD CA tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software, and this body is design here and how to this body is designed. And this body is a final product of a 4-stroke engine, and this is a crankshaft, and this is a piston, and this is a connecting rod, and this is a connecting rod also, and this is a connecting cap, and this is a pin, and all parts and assemble lecture is available here in this tutorial. And guys, you go to playlist and all parts lecture and all separate parts lecture, and also assembly lecture, and this body is motion lecture is all lecture is available here. And you go to playlist and this for a stock engine, click here, and all parts and assemble lecture is you can see here easily and clearly, and how to all parts separately it design easily and clearly learn here. Okay, today discuss here a connecting rod is very important lecture is discuss here, and how to this body is designed. Okay guys, let's start here, and this body is design. Okay, this is a connecting rod, and how to this body is designed here easily and clearly, and this body is a design very clearly and easily design here. Okay, all is a complete. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, at first select this part and click OK, and then at first select a plane is a front plane, and okay, at first select a two circle is first is a 33.8 millimeter and diameter, and second is 45, and this is a also two circle is drawing here, and first circle is 54 millimeter and second is 72 millimeter. Okay, all is correct. Okay, at first select this center point and draw a two circle is a drawing here, and again select this two circle is drawing this. Okay, and connect a center line. Okay, this is a perfect, and center line is also a vertical. Okay, this is a correct. Mention any dimension. This dimension is a 33.8 millimeter is correct, and second is a 45 millimeter is correct. Okay, and also this is a 54 millimeter is correct, and 72 millimeter is correct. Okay, delete here. Okay, 72 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a 202.5 millimeter is correct. Okay, and this is a correct. 202.5 millimeter is correct, and all is looking perfect. And at first this is a drawing here, and this line is a drawing. This 2 point is a 21 millimeter, and this angle is 6.5 millimeter is correct. And draw a line this connect to this. Okay, and at first select this point, and this circle is a coincident, and this is a mirror, and select a mirror is a correct. And mention any dimension. 2 point is 21 millimeter, and angle is a 6.5 is a correct. 6.5 is a okay, this is a correct. Okay, and this, okay, this is correct. Okay, and a line is drawing here and connect to this point to this, because this is a half portion and all other portion is a delete here. Okay, okay, this is a perfect. All dimension is, this is a 33.845. Okay, all point is a correct, and then use a apply a extrude. Then at first select a this and this. Okay, and this is a mid plane, and this distance is a 38. Click OK, and again select a plain white and cartoon is apply here. Okay, and this sketch and extrude boss is apply here. This is a correct, and select a mid plane and click 19 is okay. This is a better. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, all is perfect. Looking here. Okay, and okay, and at first select a, okay, this is a fillet point is a 22.8 and this is a 42, and 2 point is very important. And at first select a this point and 22.5 to 22.8 is a okay, 22.8 is a correct, and select again this side and click OK, and again select a fillet and fillet is a 42 is better, 42 is correct, and select a this point and again select a this. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and next point is drawing here this oblong is a this radius is 8.5 and this is a 92 is correct, and this face is sketch drawing a normal. Okay, and select at first select a center line. A center line is a this. Okay, this to this, this to this is a correct, and drawing a center point a state slot is a center point a state slot is a okay, this is a correct, and mention any dimension. This dimension is a this is a 9, and okay, this is 8.5 is correct, and also this is a this distance is a okay, this 2-point distance is a 92. Okay, all is looking perfect. Okay, 8.5 and this is a 92. Okay, all is correct, exit, and this is a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a this is a 4.5. Okay, 4.5 is correct. 4 point okay, 4.5. Okay, this is correct, okay, and this is a both side. Then use a this use a front plane and select a mirror, and mirror is this. Okay, this is a correct. Okay, all is looking perfect, and use a some fillet is a 1.2 is correct, use a some fillet is a 1.2, and all is a this fillet, and again this. Okay, and select a this and this. Okay, all is perfect, all is looking better. And one point is also discuss here, and this is a this. Okay, this is a 30 millimeter and this 76 millimeter, and this radius is 9 millimeter, and also this diameter is 9 millimeter is correct, and all point is a discuss here. Okay, at first select a plane. Plane is a this. Select a this face, and also this is a this diameter. This is a 30 millimeter is correct, and this flip side is a better. And this plane is sketch normal, and use this center point straight slot, and center point is a this. And okay, this is correct. Okay, and mention any dimension. This dimension is a 76. This radius is 9, and also use a circle is drawing here this, and also this is a correct. And this circle and this circle is a equal. Okay, and select a this circle is a 9. Okay, this circle is a okay, this diameter is a 9. Okay, this is a perfect. Okay, and exit, and extrude boss. Okay, up to surface. Surface is a this. Okay, and okay, and this plane is hide. Okay, and this sketch and offset. Okay, not offset. Convert entities and apply a extrude cut. Extrude cut is a both side. Okay, correct. All extra portion is remove here, and this body is a drawing correct, and all is a drawing perfect, and some use a this body color is apply here, and okay, this is a correct and perfect. Okay, and okay, this is a perfect and correct. Okay guys, this body is perfect, and all part is design here, and all this body is complete design here, and this is a perfect. Okay, guys, all okay guys, I hope you will learn this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.